Hi, in this video we're going to be discussing pairing your Beeline Velo with your iPhone. The first thing to note is that if you've connected before, you need to forget the device in your iPhone settings. You can do that by going to Settings, Bluetooth, and then selecting the device that you've previously connected to, and forgetting it. This will ensure that you can connect seamlessly in the Beeline app. Then, go to the Beeline app and go to Settings. Select Connect to a Beeline. Make sure you've unlocked the device by tapping the top button. Keep searching. You'll see a device's name on here and be able to select it from here. Select the right device and press Pair. The Beeline app will connect to the Velo. On the home screen, you'll see that the icon has changed and you now have the Velo connected. You can view the Beeline device settings back in your settings. If this hasn't answered your question or you need more help, email us at support@beeline.co and we'll get you sorted.